Hi, welcome to Learning Angular Services by Pact Publishing. My name's Sam Orgill. I have over 6 years of web development experience, with over 2.5 years Angular experience in the airport industry. I've also taken that knowledge with me into the freelance world, and I specialise in Angular, and I have a master's in computing. If you want to know more about me or connect with me on social media, head over to my website samorgill.com, where you can find out all the details. So let's have a look what we'll be learning over this course. In the first section, we're going to look at why Angular services. In section 2, we're going to create a custom Angular service. In section 3, we're going to look at observables and promises. In section 4, we're going to look at the built-in Angular services. In the last section, section 5, we're going to look at testing services. Okay, so there are a couple of prerequisites to this course. Essentially, you just need a functioning laptop or computer that runs Windows, Mac OS or Linux. We recommend that you have 4 GB of memory and 50 GB of free storage. Feel free to use any IDE or browser, but I'm going to be using Google Chrome and the Atom IDE, which is free from GitHub. You're also going to need Node.js installed on your system. We recommend that you have at least 8.9.1 installed. So let's get started.